Hi everyone. Welcome to Level Up Dividends channel. Before making this video, I asked ChatGPT to tell me about the best stock to invest in to make much money in the quickest time possible. This is what ChatGPT told me. There is no one best stock to invest in to make a quick profit, and investing in stocks should be viewed as a long-term strategy rather than a short-term fix. It's important to do your research, seek professional advice, and approach investing with a disciplined and patient mindset. Luckily, there are some humans like me who make proper research and try to answer this question more precisely, well, at least by lowering the scope of possibilities. Of course, I totally agree with ChatGPT when it says that it is important to make your own research before investing. In today's video, I present a mind-blowing stock that if you invest $1,000 in it today, you will get $100,000 in just 7 years and without adding a single cent into your investment. Would you like to know more about this? Then make sure to watch the video until the end because you will never believe the figures I'll be showing. Pioneer Natural Resources Company conducts independent oil and gas exploration and production in the U.S. Oil, gas, and natural gas liquids, NGLs, are all products that the corporation explores for, develops, and produces. It conducts business in West Texas's Midland Basin. The company is founded in Irving, Texas. The Permian Basin is connected to the company ancestry. In the southwest of the U.S., there is a sizable sedimentary basin known as the Permian Basin. The basin contains the Mid-Continent oilfield province. This sedimentary basin is located in western Texas and southeastern New Mexico. According to the Institute for Energy Economics and Financial Analysis, the biggest producer in the Permian Basin is now Pioneer Natural Resources, which took over Oxy earlier this year by purchasing Parsley Energy and DoublePoint Energy. The company's earnings is leveling up significantly during these last 6 years and it is poised for more growth in the upcoming years. Now let's talk about matters most for investors like us, the dividends. The company offers a juicy dividend yield of 12%. This dividend yield is combined with a stunning 78% dividend increase rate per year, every single year during the past 10 years. Yes, 78%. Most beautifully, the company has a payout ratio of 83%. Even if this ratio is high, it still means that the company has some room to increase more and more. If you invest $1,000 in the company now and based on these metrics, you will get $1,800 in 3 years, $7,000 in 5 years. You will hit $11 million in just 9 years. In 12 years, I'll let you read the crazy amount you will get as I can't read it myself. I seriously don't know whether the company will actually follow this pace in the next years, but if there is a single odd out of 10 to make it happen, the returns will be huge. Now, let me blow your minds with even crazier figures. If you follow me for some time now, you know that I always consider the 5-year dividend growth rate when analyzing companies, not the 10-year dividend growth rate. With Pioneer Natural Resources, the 5 years dividend growth is 217%. Now let's make this input in the Excel form. In 2 years, you will get $1,500. In 3 years you will get $3,000. In 4 years you will get $16,000. In 6 years you will hit the $8 million. Now, again, I know you might think that these figures are not sustainable, but I just input actual figures. I didn't invent anything myself. You can pause the video and go check the numbers yourself. I always try to get my numbers from reliable resources. Nonetheless, let's take a more conservative approach and say that Pioneer Natural Resource increases its dividends with only 15% per year. With an initial investment of only $1,000 you will get $1,400 in 3 years, $2,000 in 5 years, $8,000 in 10 years, $100,000 in 15 years. And will hit $2.5 million in 19 years. The figures are still awesome. Over time, the reinvested dividends can grow exponentially, which can lead to significant long-term gains. As your investment grows, your dividends will also increase, leading to even more reinvestment and growth. This compounding effect can lead to a snowball effect, where your investment grows faster and faster over time. Pioneer Natural Resource is well established and have really good metrics. They are ESG rated. They are spreading their activities to more environment-friendly sources of energy. They are collaborating with NextEra Energy Company to develop a 140-megawatt wind facility. They have a deep inventory of high-return wells providing durability of returns. They even proceed to share buybacks. I am personally impressed with this company. I think you must be impressed too, that's why you exploded the like button on this video. One more thing. In the last company presentation, Pioneer Natural Resources emphasized on the dividend payments until 2027. It clearly says that the dividends will increase from 2023 to 2027. The dividend will quadruple from 2023 to 2027. If we go back to the simulations we did before, this means that we will actually have a 100% dividend growth rate for this period. So you are, at least, sure that we'll 4x your money in just 4 years. That's almost certain. I really love looking for gems like this company, and I personally invest in them. I only have my 9-to-5 job and didn't get any inheritance, so I try to own good quality dividend paying stocks to build up my positions. If you appreciated the video, make a comment to make me know. I still have some gems in my bag and I'm willing to share them with you completely free. Thanks everyone. I'll see you next time.